No, hell no. The ceramic version started 2010. So one of the first ever released na mga Rolexes. Ano bang, what's your target budget? Aray, kung mag-unbox. Oy! Hello! Hi! Boss, how are you? Ano gusto mo, pare?
Pera.
Pera?
Oo, pera.
Marami ako niyan.
Yun.
So guys, another watch, another day. Dito tayo kasama na brother. I didn't get your name.
EA.
EA?
Yes.
Too big. May pineapple juice din kami. Marami na kami pang suhol, pare. Alright, sige. These are your choices, tama? Sheesh! Okay, so your first choice is a Submariner na date. The reference 11610LN. So this is the black one. 40mm. Have you tried this na?
A little bit.
So that's one. Sige, mamaya. Next is you have a Santos de Cartier na iced out na medium size. Tama. And one is a Datejust na Super Jubilee. Reference 116234. And this is a 2014. Relative. Yan. Pare pa tayo naka-white shirt ha. Ano ko? Support boss. Kay Tito Mikey, DN t-shirt niya.
Oh, DN t-shirt.
Support lang tayo, support lang tayo. Mura pa to, mas maganda pa. Pandiinan kasi ako. Ano bang, what's your target budget?
Around half lang.
If half mil is a little, would you like to try?
Yeah.
So this is a little off your budget lang, ng konti lang naman. But yeah, I think it fits okay. Submariner naman, that's the most basic watch ni Rolex. I mean, everyone loves it. That's the best selling that we have. Pabilis ng Submariner date sa amin eh.
I think I like
So, you like that one? I need the price for this one. What's our asking price for this one? This is a Submariner 116610. I just want to be sure. I have an...
Oh, okay, check the back.
Wala rin.
649. 2010. 649. First of its kind.
First of its kind, yes.
Bakit?
2010 is where it started producing ng... Before that was a 16610, which is the pre-ceramic version. The ceramic version started 2010. That's 2010. So one of the first ever released na mga Rolexes na 116610. What do you think?
300,000.
Baka magsara ako niyan. I'll do a little, ano lang, siguro 640.
Little nga.
Submariner. Inumin mo kasi yung juice mo, pare, para maramdaman mo.
Wala tayo, mapawawala eh. Teka.
No, hell no. Hindi kaya. Not that big of a margin when it comes to Submariner.
635. Ayun na yun ha. Ayun na. Nanginginig na ako.
Is that your first Rolex?
Yes.
That,
Ayun.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
First Rolex mo, since first Rolex mo siya, very special brother kasi yung card niya, yung luma pa niya na card.
Yun, brother. Thank you, brother.
Dahil bumili ka ngayon, we are giving out actually goodies sa lahat ng bibili sa amin.
Yun!
Dito siya, nasulat, done deal.
Yun!
Sa mabibili kahit saan.
Let's go, bro.
I think kasi sa itong large. Ganda. Okay pa din.
Salamat.
Done deal. Kaya pag may nakasuot na yan, alam na nakabili ka na. Sige sir, magkabayad ka na ba?
Sige, boss.
Hindi pa ako nag-iita eh.
Ay, sorry.
Lang.
Pwede ba?
Ano? Shit. Ang card namin walang discount.
Ay, shit.
Cash discount lang tayo. Pag card kasi may 3.5% eh.
Sino magbabayad din kayo?
Yes. Pero wala nang discount. So 649 tayo.
Kasi walang way of cash kasi pag nag-withdraw
I need the
ako.
terminal. Dahil kay Area 29? Anong ano yan? Gift? Aba, may pag-gift pa si contractor ko ah. Area 29. Dear Sir Rai, we would like to extend our sincerest appreciation for your continued trust in our services. We wish Gentry Timepieces ongoing success. Taray, kung mag-unbox. Oy, may fan! Alam nilang mainit dito eh. Ayun, may fan! Oh, thank you so much, Area 29. Shout out sa inyo, thank you ah. Wow, namimigay. So, may kliyente pa eh.
Ay, grabe na. Para makakain din.
Kanina. Thank you ah. Grabe ka talaga. Thank you. Ang fashion designer namin para makita mo. Here, sir.
Hindi, boss.
Here's your card.
Thank you,
Thank you for your business, brother. Maraming salamat.
Pleasure.
Done deal. The manual, everything. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din.
I'll see you soon.
Okay.